Hey, in this video I'm going to give a complete unbiased review and a summary overview of the best-selling book Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. As you can see, I have the hard copy of the book Traffic Secrets with me, and if you want, you have the timestamps in the description so you can just skip around in the video. But before anything, let's hop onto the sales page to see what Russell claims about this book. You'll get the link to the sales page in the description where you can go and claim your free copy. You just have to pay a small shipping price, otherwise the book is free. As you can see over here on the sales page, the book claims to be a solution to the traffic problem you are having on your website or funnel. As Russell Brunson claims it is the new free book which shows 20 plus virtually unknown secrets to get tons of traffic to any website or funnel. So basically, if you're having any problem to getting traffic to your website or funnel, this book is the perfect solution for you. I received this book last year October when I claimed my free copy from the sales page, the link to which is in the description. And as you can see over here, this is the unboxing I did months ago and I have kept it just for you to see. So let's get started with the thing which actually matters, the content.
The book is basically divided into three sections, the first of which, section 1, is titled Your Dream Customer. Now this section I thought to be the most useless part of all, but it actually turned out to be the most important of everything because this serves as the fundamental base of any business which is looking to drive traffic to their website or funnel. Like, just imagine, how are you ever gonna drive good sales or leads or whatever you want if you don't even know what type of traffic do you need? You need to know everything about your dream customer which is relevant. Like every nitty gritty, you have to know them better than they know themselves. Now this includes many things such as hobbies, demographics, interests, where they hang out, their characters, etc. and many more things. You can see on the scene what are the chapters included in this first section. Russell shares some of his tips and tricks to ease the way for you. He introduces his concept of Dream 100. Dream 100 is basically a list of 100 influencers in the same niche as you are in, but at a better position, who already has an influence over a big audience. Now these are the influencers whom you can use to generate traffic to your site for free. You can learn a lot more about this when you actually read about this in the book. In fact, I myself as a creator on YouTube have seen the advantage it brings to me, the concept of Dream 100. And so yes, I am creating my Dream 100 list already. And maybe in some other video in the future, I'll show you how I'm using it. Russell in the book digs deep into infiltrating your Dream 100 and using them to generate traffic for your business while perfectly maintain your relation with them. Once you have your website and funnels ready to handle business, in order to get business, you have to first bring traffic to your website. Like, what's a business without people? In my opinion, the most important part of the book, Russell shows you multiple different ways to get traffic into your funnels by using both free organic as well as paid reach. To be as clear as possible, if you have a funnel and after reading this book, if you're unable to drive traffic into it, then the problem is in you, not in the book. You shouldn't be having any excuse after reading this section because Russell digs deep into multiple different growth hacks, how to grow, and as well as using paid reach to drive traffic using Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and multiple others. And the most important part and the best part, look at how thrilled I am. This book is a golden nugget. This is a golden goose which is never gonna die. You wanna know why? Because Russell doesn't only teach you how to grow on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. Instead, he gives you a layout of how to grow on any damn social platform. Yes, you heard me right, on any platform. After reading this, you should be able to hack your growth on any social platform. This man, he doesn't catch you a fish, but instead he teaches you how to fish, thus feeding you for lifetime. He literally shows you how to prepare your content calendar and get content ideas out of thin air. Any excuse after this means you are at fault. To end this off, he shows you the multiple possibilities of what can happen in case of social media shutdowns and crises. Like, what if Instagram shuts down? We know this can happen because TikTok got banned from many countries. He shows you what you can do in such cases, as well as some exit strategies that you can use. Now the funny part is that he defines all of this by using the term snap. In fact, he has used a large reference of Avengers Infinity War and Thanos' snap. In fact, even to start off this book, in the introduction, he has used a large reference of Avengers Infinity War and Thanos' snap. Russell in this third part talks about multiple other growth hacks which you can consider in your business, and he goes really crazy discussing about the massive advantage that you can have in the form of your own affiliate army. After reading this section, it is very clear that Russell absolutely loves having his own affiliate army. No doubt, because he claims that the number one source that brings him most of his business, more than 50% of all paid customers, comes from one source: his affiliates. He really believes that it is an art to prepare your own affiliate army and have success with it, which most businesses don't know. Russell teaches this thing out of his own experience of how to prepare your army, affiliate army, for success. And of course, you can trust him with your eyes closed, because ClickFunnels is one of the most loved affiliate programs in the world. Like, everyone wants to promote ClickFunnels. Even I want to. In fact, Russell has created a complete different course for affiliate marketing with ClickFunnels of ClickFunnels, which not only coaches and prepares all the affiliates for massive success, but also creates a separate revenue stream for himself. Not so major, but Russell also talks about a couple other different growth hacks which you may consider in your business, some of which are affiliate army, as I said, other people's distribution channels, and cold traffic. So that's all mainly summarizing your big fat traffic secrets book into a short video. And definitely, I don't really have any negative views about this book. Like, this is an insanely valuable book if you are looking to get traffic into your funnels or anything. If you want to generating traffic, this is a book you need to read. I don't really know, but this author, Russell Brunson, I don't really have anything negative grudge against him. Like, all his book, Traffic Secrets, Expert Secrets, also I have the .com secrets with me. These are amazing. You should read it if you are looking to take your business to the next level online. And don't forget, first link in description, go and claim your free copy of Traffic Secrets now. Just pay a small amount for shipping and it's free for you. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, go down and smash the hell out of that like button. It would mean a lot. And if you're new here, do consider subscribing, because every single week I bring out at least one video that has to do with make money online business and anything which has to do with making money non-traditionally.